Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to install themes on your Galaxy A17, all versions. First, you need to go into the settings icon. Once you're in the settings icon, scroll down and look for the themes option. Here it is, let's go into themes. We're gonna click here on themes, select this option, and then you'll click and set it to free so that only the free themes show up. The themes labeled as animated or video, like it says here, these themes have a moving background, a wallpaper with motion on your phone's lock screen. So you'll choose the theme, click on download, okay? And once the download is finished, you'll click the apply button to set the theme on your phone. I hope this video helped you. Hold on a second, it's downloading. Okay, the download is done. I'm going to click on apply, and that's it. The theme has just been installed on my phone, and that was today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did, don't forget to like, leave your comment down below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.